Welcome to Never Quit, the channel where we empower you to grow. A new year is here, a fresh start, a new chapter, and the perfect opportunity. Today, we're diving into 5 habits you need. These habits might feel familiar, even comfortable, but they're silently standing between you and your dreams. Let's break free and make 2020 for your year of transformation. 1. Living on autopilot. Going through the motions without purpose will only leave you stuck. Break the habit of living on autopilot by setting daily intentions. Wake up with a purpose and take charge of your day. 2. Overthinking. Overthinking is the art of creating problems that don't exist. Stop analyzing every detail. Remember, clarity comes from action, not endless thought. 3. Waiting for motivation. Motivation is fleeting. Don't wait to feel ready. Take action, even when you don't feel like it. Progress comes from consistency, not bursts of inspiration. 4. Holding on to toxic relationships. Not everyone is meant to go with you into your next chapter. Let go of relationships that drain your energy or stunt your growth. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and believe in your vision. 5. Settling for less. Stop accepting less than you deserve in your career, relationships, and personal growth. Dream big, work hard, and refuse to settle. You are capable of so much more. 2024 is your chance to rewrite your story. Breaking these habits won't be easy, but every step you take will bring you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. At Never Quit, we're here to remind you that growth is a journey, and you're stronger than you think. What habit will you commit to breaking first? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content that inspires you to never quit.